gaitu tugarike mu maka gaitu.
Evigambro Reverend John McNoah wa Diocesan Secretary ahabwa North Ankole Diocese kandi ogu wajwekire Bishop Alfred Muhozi aha mukoro gwo kusiima Ruhanga hishomero rya Bishops Girls rishera habeji 50 bajunurwe
barwanirire barinde bishikirize nangu nabunda babatayimuka obunda bamwe bose bakwikirize okubo mutana habandi ikonference tubaza kugihendera gonka tigihendere otabwirina no mutana ogumoro nkoko wawe irori ogumoyina kantu kawe umweshongoza kabwiza yatubura umuntu abera nakazeke nubasa kuhendera conference nakazeka ogumenako
akwa twara abana bengi bekirize Yesu Kristo ko mujunu wabo urra nakwabura ko mugura hweza aboshemeziwe ezaboshemeziwe okushoma kurungi na nyense nungi no haburu
nabwanyuma beje n'abashomesa basimire Ruhanga
When I'm addressing a gathering like this or any other congregation, imagambira ngo hari ibintu bindukutina biri cyo kubanza intina Ruhanga ecya kabiri ne karamu ambe n'umusasira abakura bari aha tindu kubakiza bitinisa n'iyidifini ebintu biri yo munsi by'abandi barukutunga konkare yakindu kubakiza aka karamu kanjako kanyi mutiyo mu rubengi kija mvunkagambira mwene umwana mwekunda gwa head and study
umuntu wo kubanza no muzeire kwikiriza ngo umwana weija umuntu wa kabiri ni team ebembere Reverend Kagumia abashomesa umuntu wa kashatu nimwe abana bishomero abo bonshatu buri omwe kwaro kuzana omwanya gwe kandi yaguzanaje nibyo nkibi bituru kureba
habireho no kusima beje n'abashomesa habwo gukora kurunje bibuzo ebyenkumi 2023
nashomesa rushungogwe nashomesa English
Bishop Girls risherene ry'ishomero ryonke ry'abiki eryo mu district ya Churuhura
sima abazaire beitu sima abashomesa beitu sima ubushiko bw'ishomero sima nanabeje beitu tubera bo mugashoba bagatwize kitinisa
omugana makuru
Father God, we thank you. We bless
IGG Bet kamya jumirira barukwejumbero mu burubwenguzi obuhindukire enshongo mu ihanga ebyabigambiro bwabira ryo mujenye mukora ha mukoro gw'abashomiro mu ishomero rya Ruyonzo mu Rubushenyi kandi aba batandikire no kushaba
Nichino njo kwesiga mukama okukiro kwesiga abategeki
Nibza kuchara operatingaho kunkano basa kwesiga omuntu akudisappointing Wasa kwesiga omulamuzi unaza kuchwera omushango gwawe fair omulamuzi akugira eki akudisappointing.
In the spirit of government, we started a schools integrity club, and I want to pledge Mr. Chairman of the board, patron and other leaders and the headmaster that I will make sure that we establish an integrity club with your permission, an integrity club in this school.
abashomiro mu ishomerero bagize ngo baza kwatansa omukwera ishomere ry'abahinduire kibari.
I hear many requests coming through, and if we list them, there are so many. But I have told the headmaster that we will start with the most important, and we will keep the most important the most important. And we will move step by step. I hear students scrapping for the bus. It will come, but not now.
Each one of you played a unique role in shaping our school experience, and it is amazing to see how far we have come since those days of youthful dreams. I can see some of them now are bald-headed, so you may not actually know they were all busy here.
chairman w'abashomire Lyonza Anthony Katwarana nagira ngo bahereze kwatanisa n'ishomero okureba ngo batamwicira ukubaramu
nshaba computers ongera computer lab yitu setu ntujabara mitwaro kinana ntuyitaga yonkankaga ngayimasa kuyakigamba. We urgently need A-level textbooks.
Kunkureba abantu abiriyonza abarabiremu n'ebintu ebibariyo nibakora mazima njira nti mission ejo eriyo nekurwa.
ahabwa enshonga y'ishomero rya Lyonza Betcam yahireyo miliyoni 5 kandi umuhwezi wa Speaker Thomas Tayibwa yahayo miliyoni 10 kandi ho nabashazire muno kuombeka library.
As in the name of the Father.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Evans Talemwa na Sheikh Abdulatif.